Hello and welcome to RealtyPro. Today, we're exploring a question every investor is asking: real estate versus stock market. Which is the better investment in 2024? Whether you're in the US, UK, or Australia, choosing the right investment can make a big difference in your financial future. So let's dive in and find out. 2024 brings a mix of economic recovery, technological advancements, and new market dynamics. The financial landscape is shifting, and the battle between real estate and stocks continues. But which one is the smarter choice this year? First up, let's look at real estate. It's a classic investment that has helped build wealth for decades. But what makes it a good choice in 2024? PRO's consistent income rental properties can generate steady cash flow, appreciation. Properties often increase in value over time, especially in prime locations. Tax advantages. From deductions on mortgage interest to property depreciation, there are many tax benefits. Cons: high initial investment. Buying property requires a substantial upfront cost. Maintenance and management ongoing costs for upkeep can eat into your profits. Less liquidity. Selling a property can take months or even years. Real estate can be a great long-term investment, especially if you're looking for stability and predictable income. But it also requires time, effort, and a significant initial outlay. Now let's switch gears and talk about the stock market. It's dynamic, fast-moving, and offers great potential for growth. But is it a better choice than real estate? PRO's diversification. You can spread your investments across various industries. Liquidity: buy or sell shares quickly, making it easier to access your cash. Low entry point. You don't need a huge sum to start investing in stocks. Cons: volatility. Stock prices can be unpredictable and fluctuate greatly. Emotional roller coaster. It requires nerves of steel to deal with market ups and downs. Constant monitoring. You need to stay updated on market trends and company performance. The stock market offers flexibility and the potential for rapid gains, but it comes with higher risks. If you're comfortable with market fluctuations, it could be a solid choice. Now let's compare them directly. Here are the factors you should consider before choosing your investment path. Real estate is generally lower risk but has ongoing costs. Stocks carry higher risk but offer higher rewards if timed well. Stocks can be sold within minutes. Real estate may take months to liquidate. Real estate appreciates steadily over time. Stocks can skyrocket in value quickly but are subject to market conditions. Both have tax benefits, but they differ greatly. Real estate offers deductions on mortgage interest and more, while stocks have tax-efficient accounts like IRAs and ISAs. Your choice should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and how much time you're willing to invest in managing your portfolio.
To get a better understanding, we gathered insights from experts across both fields. Here's what they have to say about the best investment strategies for 2024. Real estate remains a solid bet, especially in suburban and emerging markets. With remote work trends continuing, more people are looking to invest in spacious homes outside major cities.
Stocks are highly sensitive to current events, but the tech sector continues to show tremendous growth. If you know where to invest, the rewards can be phenomenal.
So, which investment should you choose in 2024? Real estate or stocks? The answer isn't straightforward, but it depends on your personal preferences. If you're looking for steady, long-term gains and can handle a larger upfront investment, real estate could be the way to go. On the other hand, if you want flexibility, lower entry costs, and the chance to diversify, stocks might be your best bet. Remember, diversifying across both is also a powerful strategy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might be making this tough decision, and don't forget to subscribe to Realty for more insightful videos. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Which investment are you leaning towards in 2024? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.